Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing great. Usually phone brands have many lineup, but each brand have the particular lineup that people are hyped about. When it comes to OPPO, the Reno series is very popular. Recently they launched two more phones on the Reno series, one is OPPO Reno 8 and another one is 8 Pro. Today let's see the unboxing and quick review of OPPO Reno 8 Pro. Let's get into the video. First let's unbox the phone. This is the box of OPPO Reno 8 Pro. Let's remove the wrapper. On the front you can see they mentioned OPPO Reno 8 Pro 5G. On the back they mentioned it's Android power plus storage variant and color details. Let's cut the seal and open the box. On the top there is a small box. Once you open, inside you will get manual, warranty card, SIM ejector tool plus one TPU case. Let's take out the phone and remove the wrapper. Let's remove the back sticker and turn on the phone. Let's put the phone on the case. Once you remove the tray, on the bottom you will get one 80 watts fast charging adapter plus one Type-C charging cable. First let's talk about the design. Compared to OPPO Reno 7 Pro, OPPO Reno 8 Pro design has been improved a lot. It has a complete glass back plus it's a unibody design. The back panel and the camera bump are one piece. Definitely this design gives nice and new look to the phone. Side frames are made up of metal and the phone comes on two color variant. The one we have is glazed green and the one more variant is glazed black. The back panel design looks completely plain. There is no matte or gradient finish on the back. Also the first thing we noticed when we turned on the phone was bezels. The bezels are really thin. It almost looks like it's a complete bezel-less display. Also it's a punch hole display and the punch hole is also really small. And the phone weighs overall 183 gram and 7.3 mm thickness. For one-hand usage, the phone feels fine. Overall, it's a premium designed good looking phone which is decent for one-hand usage. Next, let's talk about the display. The phone comes with 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Also, it has HDR10 Plus support and the phone comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The display looks really awesome and the viewing angles are also great. Also, it has 950 nits of peak brightness. Both on the indoor and outdoor usage, the display looks really clear and visible. Overall, it's a really great display with 120Hz refresh rate. Everything feels smooth. Since it's AMOLED display, no wait. For this budget, it has to be AMOLED display. The phone have in-display fingerprint sensor. Also, it has face unlock option. Both are fast and accurate. Next, let's talk about the ports and buttons. On the left, we have volume rocker keys. On the bottom, we have a SIM tray with dual SIM support. Also, the phone support up to 12 5G bands. And we have mic, Type-C port and speaker grill. When we talk about the speaker grill, the phone have stereo speakers. The audio output is loud and clear. There is no distortion at the higher volume. Next, on the right, we have a power button. Finally, on the top, we have a noise cancellation mic and a speaker grill. Next, let's talk about OS. The phone comes with ColorOS version 12.1 on top of Android 12. And the brand promises 2 years of software update and 4 years of security update. And the last security update received was on June. Also, the phone comes with very less bloatware, you can easily uninstall it. When it comes to battery, the phone comes with 4500 mAh battery. Also, you'll get 80 watt SuperVOOC fast charging adapter on the box. And the brand says it takes 28 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. On a normal usage, you'll get almost 1 day of battery life. Next, when we talk about the camera, the phone comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 2.4. It's a Sony IMX709 sensor. Also, it's autofocused camera. You can see some picture samples. Also, we can take portrait photo. Especially there is a mode called bokeh flare portrait. The outputs are really good. You can see the samples. When it comes to video, on front you can record max 1080p at 30 frames per second. The video output is decent. On the rear we have a triple camera setup. 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8. It's a Sony's IMX766 sensor. Next we have 8 megapixel wide angle camera with 112 degree field of view. Finally we have 12MP macro sensor. Output quality of the photo was really good even on very low light condition. Compared to normal portrait photos, the bokeh flare effect photos are really good. The photo looks like we took it from some DSLR camera. You can see the samples. We tried its night mode on no light condition. The output was really amazing. Before talk about the video, the phone comes with OPPO's in-house NPU Mari Silicon X. It helps to record 4K low light video at a high quality. You can see this video sample we recorded at 4K at a low light condition. In this room only the ambient light was on. Still the quality of the video is really good and sharp. The chip really boosts dynamic range on this 4K video. Also it do very good raw footage processing. We tried taking video on even dimmer light condition. The video output is still really good and the noise on the video is also really less. It's one of our best low light camera ever I seen on mobile phones. Also the phone comes with special feature called air gesture. You can play past the YouTube song just by holding hand like this and moving forward. Also you can scroll up or down by showing gestures like this. Plus you can mute or disconnect the call using the same gestures. Next let's talk about the processor. The phone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max and it's a 5nm processor. It's a flagship processor. The performance is really good. Both on heavy gaming and the day-to-day task, the phone performs really great. During testing on my usage, I didn't found any stutter or lag on the phone. With 120Hz display, the phone feels buttery smooth. Also, the phone has ultra-conductive cooling system. I didn't found any heating issue during heavy gaming. When it comes to RAM and storage, the phone comes with 12GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB USF 3.1 storage. Also, you'll get expandable RAM option. You can expand up to 3GB, 5GB or 7GB. Finally, when we talk about the price, the phone is priced for 46,000. For 46,000, overall you are getting a good flagship phone with amazing camera quality, especially on night photos. If you are someone who is looking for a flagship phone under 46,000, also if you are interested in OPPO, then OPPO Reno8 Pro would be a great choice for you. Hope you will find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.